In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a design in Canva. If you want to clean up your Canva workspace and remove a design you no longer need, this process is very quick and easy. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. To begin, open Canva and go to your Projects area. This is where your saved designs, folders, and other content are usually stored. Once you're there, take a moment to look through your designs and find the one you want to delete. If you have a lot of files, it can help to pause for a second and make sure you've selected the correct design before removing it. When you've found the design, move your mouse over it. You should see a three-dot menu appear on the design thumbnail. This menu gives you more options for managing that file. Click on the three dots to open the menu, and then look for the option that says Move to Trash. Go ahead and select Move to Trash. As soon as you do that, Canva will remove the design from your main projects view and send it to the trash. This is helpful because it means the design is not necessarily gone forever right away. It's a safer way to delete something, especially if you clicked too quickly or changed your mind. Right after moving the design to the trash, Canva usually gives you a short moment to undo the action. If you realize you deleted the wrong file, or if you decide you still need it, simply click the undo option while it's still visible. This only appears for a few seconds, so if you want to reverse the deletion, make sure to act quickly. A good tip here is to double-check the design name and preview before you move it to the trash, especially if you have several similar-looking files. That can help you avoid deleting the wrong project by mistake. And that's all it takes to delete a design in Canva. You go to Projects, find the design you want to remove, open the three-dot menu and choose Move to Trash. Then if needed, use the undo option right away during those first few seconds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.